What's up, traders? Julian here from jlewistrading.com, and today we're reporting the trade of the day, and it is on MU, Micron Technology Incorporated. This was a really nice short that we put on, just surfing through that NASDAQ 100 list, getting an understanding of what is looking a little bit soft on the price action side of things today. MU was the top dog, most amount of fleas, so we decided to take a stab at this thing short. And what I saw when I caught this is that MU was actually already working its way below its VWAP on an intraday basis. If you looked at the 30 chart, the 5 and the 1, which is what we traded, price action was just continuously getting more and more soft. And so first leg down, we saw that it bottomed out, met double top at moving average resistance and just slightly below the VWAP, which completely drove price action lower. And after that rally, after that first breakdown, that rally is what we were looking at to get short again to see if we could take a crack at the second leg down. So essentially what we were looking at was we saw this little bit of consolidation right through here. Price action rallied, pretty much double topped again, held VWAP resistance, and it was in that area that we were actually looking to short trendline support. So, you know, we used our trigger point to get short this. Moving averages were working in our favor, acting as overhead resistance, and it was keeping price action below the moving averages and pushing price action lower. And essentially what we did was we got short and used our trigger point right through here to really ramp up our position. And we were picking up $50 puts, and those were weeklies, so they're expiring tomorrow. And what we wanted to do is we wanted to see a nice big breakdown of 50-40. Now what I did here was I actually took this chart, I moved it out a little bit further, and I wanted to see where we would be looking at a short-term checkpoint. And if you see right through here, yesterday's low was my checkpoint. And so I actually queued this up as a profit target, and look what happened. That bear flag that we were trading broke down perfectly, took out its entire range, hit that checkpoint, and then decided to trend sideways. And as soon as it started to rally off of that checkpoint, I decided to dump my position. And on a net basis, we were in and buying $50 strikes on the put side for 59 cents. And when we liquidated the position, we were liquidating at 98 cents. And that is actually a bad fill that I got because price action on the bid was trending at around 106. And as I was putting on my my order to cover and to sell my puts, I don't know why, but I got filled at this terrible price. But you can't even be mad. I mean, it's a 40-cent gain on a 58-cent option. So MU, that was the trade of the day. It was a short. We used puts, and we crammed price action to the downside, and this worked out. And that, again, comes on the back of another nice Apple bull flag that we traded earlier on in the session. If you have any questions about MU and how we shorted this stock or how we were trading bull flags on Apple, feel free to give me an email. I'm at info@jlewistrading.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and in the description box below, we are going to be hosting a webinar in the next few weeks. We're going to be giving out some tradable opportunities that we've been watching, and we're also going to be giving out some free swag. So don't forget to sign up, and again, the link is just down below. Thanks for watching.